Alright guys, a little time since I made my last video, but yeah, I'm going to show you guys how a fog machine can come in handy to test for exhaust leaks. So let's test it out. Pretty much just take your exhaust and run either a pipe to it, or just if it fits over top of the end, then put it over top of it. Fog machine's about 40 bucks, and then it's like 10 bucks for the fluid, but it comes in handy when you're testing for exhaust leaks and where it's coming out. And as you can see, this is going to be a lot of smoke. Right there. Yeah, you can definitely tell where the exhaust leak is, and I mean, you can obviously tell by looking at this one where the leak is. But if you can't find like a pinhole leak that someone claims they have, it's so easy to find with the fog machine. So there you go. Fog machine comes in handy. We used it quite a few times in the garage, so hope this helps you. Alright, so fog machine definitely comes in handy, and the other plus side of having it, you can use it for Halloween, you can use it for parties, and yeah, it's a handy tool, especially with like intake leaks, exhaust leaks and everything. Just comes in handy to have. It's just one of those tools. Even though it's not really a tool for the garage, well, meant for the garage, it's better than having to go to a shop and pay someone to do a smoke test. So there you go. Comment below, like it, criticize it, I don't care. Whatever makes you guys happy.